What's up guys, it's Natalie here, and today I am starting another week in my life. I am really excited to film this one. It is my second week in New York City, and actually I'm going home for like 24 hours, so you guys will also see that. I do have a workshop that I'm doing tomorrow, kind of the same thing that I did last month with Skill Pop, and I am doing a second one in Charlotte, North Carolina tomorrow. So I'm coming home for like 24 hours. But right now I woke up early. I got almost 11 hours of sleep and I woke up exhausted. I think I'm just really tired from the week, and the previous night I got like no sleep. So I feel like it hits you always the second day. I don't know if that's just me. But right now I'm going to the gym. I have to start getting more into like a workout routine. I think it's just been hard because like Tasha's visiting, and then I was moving and I didn't have a gym membership, and I was doing all of these things. And so whenever I have friends visiting, I like feel bad for working out, but she's actually staying at an Airbnb, so it's fine. Like, she's not staying with me. Yeah, so I am trying to get myself to do a workout routine. I really want to film next week a week of workouts, and that will also motivate me to go to the gym 5 times a week. I do have a lot to do today, but I'm happy that I am still waking up early and prioritizing my health. This is what I'm wearing to the gym. Very casual gym look. I always wear this sweatshirt to the gym because I do feel a little uncomfortable walking around in just a sports bra, just because in New York there's a lot more people, I've noticed, that catcall, and there's just a lot more people on the street to like look at you. So I just don't feel as comfortable just wearing a sports bra. When I leave the gym, sometimes I like wrap this around my waist because I don't want to be all sweaty and like put it on, and then for some reason I'm fine. But I don't know, going there I'm like, maybe I'll put a sweatshirt on. I am going to work out right now. I'm going to do legs, which I have been working on my legs a lot because I've been walking so much. It's funny, every single day last week, even when I didn't work out, I like closed my goal ring, which is 500 calories. So I think that's pretty cool that even though I'm not working out, I'm still burning over 500 calories a day just from like walking around and being busy and doing things in the city, which is one of my favorite things I love about the city, is that you walk everywhere, because you guys know that I hate driving. But anyways, I'm about to head to work out. I am charging my AirPods because I literally was about to leave, like I was out the door, and I noticed my AirPods were dead, so can't have that. Right now I am shooting with Shelly and Tasha, so we just decided to do a quick little shoot in a really cute part of New York, and this store has like a bunch of flowers and it's really pretty. So I'm wearing this like Princess Polly dress. It is so short though, like what the heck? It literally looks like a tank top on me, but it's actually a dress. So I'll have a link down below, size up. But yeah, we're just shooting right here. We're doing a few solo shots and then also a few together. So yeah, this place is really cute. So cute. So Shelly has this pop-up tent, so we're gonna change in here, our second outfit, but I think it's so funny. We're just like in the middle of the street changing our outfit, but very smart. I'm back at my apartment. I made myself a nice cold brew with oat milk coffee. I also ate my leftover chicken for lunch, so I didn't spend any money today on food, like going out to eat, which I'm very happy for. I'm trying not to spend any money on it, hoping that that works out, because in New York it's literally so easy because you just walk outside and you're like, there's like a million restaurants that look really good, and you're out and about and you're like, oh, I'll just stop in here and grab a quick coffee and stuff. But that stuff adds up, guys, so keep me accountable. I do have this app called Into, which is actually really cool. I think it's only for like influencers, quote unquote. I joined it a really long time ago, but it's a bunch of like free food and drinks from a ton of different restaurants around the city that you just have to like post a story and you get a free meal for a lot of restaurants. So I've been using that with Tasha just so that we can both save money. But yeah, definitely check it out if you guys want. Like, I don't know who they give access to, but if you guys want, I want to let you guys know that that is definitely an option. But right now I have a call with Business Insider and I'm really excited. So I have an article going up with them. Hopefully it's up by the time I post this vlog, but yeah, it's gonna be really, really cool, and I feel very special that they asked me, and also a little nervous to hop on the call with them, but I think it'll be good. So I just had a call with my manager, and now I'm having a call with them, and then my friend Zach is coming over, and I'm just gonna like show him my apartment and stuff like that. So that's my plan for the day. I also have to pack. I keep forgetting. I'm going home tomorrow for like 24 hours. So I don't even know if I have to pack. Literally, my sisters have so much stuff, so I might just go empty-handed, but we'll see. You guys, I wanted to give a living room update. I am so excited. This couch is from Article, so thank you, Article, for sending me this couch. And I've literally never been more excited for a piece of furniture to come, so I think that's how you know that I'm an adult. I've gotten so excited for all my furniture to come, and this one had a journey. It almost did not fit through our tiny door because we also have like this awkward hallway right here, so like it had to be twisted a certain angle, but it got delivered yesterday and it almost didn't fit, but the guys at Article that were delivering it for us were amazing, and they got it to fit. They had to like take the legs off. I felt so bad. And Pranea, a man brought this couch up by himself.
You're joking.
No, he had no help. It took him about 30 minutes.
He probably hates that.
Anyways, I felt so bad for the man, but we got this couch. So over here we're thinking side table with a fake plant, like a big fake green plant to liven up this room. Potentially like a gallery wall up here. I think that would be really, really cute if this ever decides to focus. That's what we're thinking for here. This rug is also from Article, and it is so soft. Oh my gosh, I love this rug. So I'm also gonna have this rug linked down below and everything in here, but yeah, I'm obsessed. This also has storage right here, which literally I think I could fit in there. Like, actually I know I could fit in there. It's so big, the amount of storage that it has. And then this turns into a pull-out couch, so it sleeps 2 people, which is really nice if we ever have guests. It's gonna be really, really nice. And then you can store like the sheets and stuff in there. I'm obsessed with it. Pranea loves it. We're going to mount a TV right here. So you see, yep, mounting it. And then we have our cute little dining area. I am obsessed with it. It's so cute. Wow, I love these like emerald green chairs. And then I just hung up my Prada sign that I had from my apartment in Charlotte that I never hung up in Charlotte. I had it and I just never hung it up. So we're gonna hang up. We finally hung up that sign, but give me suggestions for what you think we should do with this space. I really do love like the fake plant and coffee table, or fake plant and side table, and then I think we're gonna get like a tiny clear coffee table or something like that, because the rug is so cute that I don't want to hide it, so I feel like we should get like a clear table, something like that. But yeah, let me know what else you guys think that we should do. We're gonna get some flowers for the like little breakfast nook, and this is gonna be a great place for me to do my work. And then with the TV mounted, we don't want a TV table because then it's just gonna look way too cluttered. So that's why we're mounting it on this wall. And then my room is in here, so there's still like a tiny bit of wall space in between the couch and my room. But I'm literally obsessed with it. I can't wait until we get like stuff up here because I feel like right now it looks very empty. And maybe we can get some like blankets and decorative pillows to like make it cute.
But it looks so nice and cozy.
Comment suggestions down below, but I'm just so happy that we finally have this space. Ignore those boxes. We will be getting rid of those and our cute, cozy New York apartment. Woo!
Main boarding lane 529.
I am at the airport. I'm going home for about 24 hours, literally. So today's Wednesday morning and I'm going home and I'm leaving tomorrow morning, but I do have a workshop today. But yeah, I'm boarding last because I literally only brought this purse and that's it. I'm literally going to borrow everything from my family. I didn't want to bring home anything. Like, I didn't even bring my toothbrush home because I'm like, I think I have an extra one there. So I like actually brought nothing, but I got no sleep last night. I think I got a total of like probably 0 hours of like REM sleep. I feel exhausted right now, and there was like a party going on outside. I'm gonna insert the clip. This is coming from a car, and I had to call a noise complaint, and then they fixed it like an hour later. Like the police came and like I guess told them to shut up because it stopped and like it's closed online. But like, wow, it was horrible. Like I literally felt like there was like a club inside my room and it was coming from a car. Like, so I don't know, I live in like a residential area, so it's not like bars and stuff like that. So yeah, I was coming from a car and there was like people outside like blasting music and playing the radio, and it was just really annoying. So I got absolutely no sleep, but I'm about to go home, hopefully get a giant coffee and get ready for the day. It's like a really gross day in New York, so I don't think I'm missing anything. Okay guys, I am at this place like where the class is going to be. So this is at a brewery. Oh, just walked in. Hello everyone. Right now I just got back to New York, so I'm back in my apartment. It was the quickest North Carolina trip. I literally landed yesterday at like 10 a.m. and then my flight this morning was at 9:20 a.m. So like I was literally there for not even 24 hours, but I'm glad I went. Yesterday was so much fun, and I'm always so thankful that you guys show up to my classes and that you guys are wanting to hear what I have to say. And I don't know, I just think that you guys are the best, and it means so much to me, like way more than you guys know how much it means to me. I just like, I don't know, I really am appreciative, and I wish there was a better way to express it than just being like, thank you guys so much. But truly, like, I am so grateful for you guys and for you guys attending my class and everything like that. So if you guys think I should come to another city, let me know. The thing about Charlotte though is that they have Skill Pop, and I really love Skill Pop because they set up the entire event for you. So if you know anything like that in New York, hit me up. Right now I am eating, or I'm making some pasta. Yeah, this is my meal. It's like I'm about to overfill. Making this like stuffed ravioli from Trader Joe's, and I don't want to spend money on food, so that's why I'm doing it. And I'm just gonna make it with some tomato sauce from Trader Joe's and have that be my lunch. Pro tip guys, this is really random. I'm trying to open this marinara sauce jar and I can't open it. So if you take a knife, thumbnail, if you take a knife and you just like smack it on the sides, it should open easier. So okay, I did it one more time and it opened. That does work though. I do it all the time with pickle jars and it works. I just got out of a meeting at the Wing, so I am not a part of the Wing, but I honestly am thinking about joining it once I kind of start my consulting services, because the networking events there are amazing, and it's such a good place to just like have an office to work in or have a space to work in. And I don't know, I just really loved the environment there. So if you guys don't know what it is, it's an all-female co-working space. You can invite guys to be your guests though, so it's not like they don't allow guys in. I mean, I saw like 5 of them in there, so it's nothing like that, but it is made for females. Went to the one in Soho and I met up with Natasha. She has a traveling agency company that she's launching, and I'm gonna record a podcast episode with her, so I'm really excited to do that. Her story is just really cool and really inspiring, honestly. I'm so inspired. That's the thing here in New York. Like, I've never felt this inspired by people than when I'm here, and it can be intimidating because there is so much competition. And not even competition, I don't like, it's not competition because it's not like I'm competing with her. I don't have a travel agency, but it can be intimidating because you feel like you're not doing enough and you're not enough, and yeah, so it can be scary with that in that sense. But for the most part, I've just felt like really inspired by everyone here. So I love that feeling, and I can't wait to meet more people and just like network more, and yeah, I'm really happy. So I'm about to go meet Tasha, and we're gonna get hot dogs. So let's go. We got our hot dogs. Very happy with it. This is also our second hot dog, guys, so don't be fooled. This is not only one. Vlog here. I had a really fun night with Tasha and Pranaya. We went to Mr. Purple, and I am going to end the week in my life here actually, and I'm starting a day in my life tomorrow, kind of showing you guys a full day because I love weekends in my life, but I kind of want to take you guys through just like one whole like work day. I feel like that would be really fun. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. My week in my lives are always a little bit shorter than a full week, but I still really hope you guys liked it. I feel so disgusting and sweaty and gross, but I just like washed my face, so I feel a little better. We walked back, and yeah, it was just a lot of fun. It was one of those days where I was just so happy to be living here, and today is also 9/11, which I do want to talk about. I will never forget that day, and I feel like it's one of those things where I was in kindergarten when it happened, and you think like you're in kindergarten, you're 5 years old, you don't remember anything, and I literally remember my parents taking me up from school early, sitting in front of the TV with them and just watching their faces like drop, and just like a state of confusion and not knowing what's going on, and just the sadness that kind of everyone felt, I feel like, no matter how old you were. And I also just want to say that I have been thinking and praying about the people that were affected by the tragedy and by this horrific attack, and it is something that it gives me like full body chills, like listening to the voicemails people left, seeing videos of that day, and I can never imagine what it is like to live firsthand through something like that. But I am praying for all of the families that are still affected, all the people that were there and survived but still have PTSD. I mean, I never want to forget that. And yes, today I felt like it was a normal day, but flying on September 11, being in New York on September 11, this is my first time ever doing any of that, and you can just tell that this city is so much stronger and more unified. And I don't know, it's really insane, and I'm really thankful and grateful to be here today. But also I want to say that I am praying about the families that were affected, because it still feels so recent. And I know I was in kindergarten, and now I'm 23, and you're like, Natalie, doesn't feel recent, but I feel like if you guys are my age, or let me know if you guys feel the same way, like even though you were young, it still does feel like it was more recent than 18 years ago. So I didn't want to end the vlog without saying that. I did want to say that. I don't want to close it on a sad note, but that is something that I want to end it on, because it is a day that I don't think anyone will ever forget, and we shouldn't. And I'm really proud to be here and happy to be here during that time, but it is something that's really sad and hard, and I'm praying for all the families and every single person affected by it. So I'm gonna close the vlog with that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, night, whenever you guys are watching this, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.